if there is a case law that is going to back up the position that you are in, that the position that you are trying to push forward, that's going to benefit your case. Now, case law I love. However, case law is also, it can verge very much between whether or not it's going to benefit you or it's going to do you a huge disservice. So it's always look through the case law and make sure that the case law that you're using is actually found in favour of the point that you are trying to make and prove.
Yeah. The other thing about case law, which is a bit of an aside, but I'm not saying this is relevant for you, but it's probably a good point to say it, because there will be other people listening to this clip in the YouTube channel and other people here tonight. But we are aware of parents sometimes using AI to help them find case law. And we are also aware of when parents have used AI to find case law and it going to tribunal, judges having to delay cases, because AI can be great, but it's only great if you understand what you're reading. If parents use AI to find case law, that AI is not good enough to do that yet. Some of that case law will be accurate and some of it won't. And if you start putting inaccurate case law, so if it's been doctored or manipulated, or it's not about education law, it's about a different type of law, if you start putting that in your tribunal request, then the judge is not going to be able to help you. You're kind of shooting yourself in your foot. So it's not a warning to you, it's just a warning to everybody else. Don't use AI to help you write tribunal applications unless you really, really, really know what you're doing and you can really check that AI work thoroughly and correct it. So it leads back to what Sarah said. It's great. Use case law. Use it to back up, but as Sarah says, just check. It can be a bit difficult to read because it's written in a very ambiguous. It's written in a legal language, which can be tricky to read. So just double check that the case law that you're citing does actually prove your case and not the local authorities. Yeah.